But you don't have anything to worry about. I think she's one of the best dancers we have in the industry.
Please, I'm terrible. I'm just cute, so I'm.
You can't be worse than me, and I'm not even cute.
So मेरा आपसे सवाल ये है कि हमने जब ट्रेलर देखा था, we loved your camaraderie and chemistry with भाईजान regarding the character.
बाजी इनके लिए भाईजान नहीं है. बाजी इनके लिए भाईजान नहीं है.
मेरा सवाल ये कैटरीना जी से है कि सलमान जी नहीं चाहते कि आप उनको भाईजान बोलें, तो आप कौन सी जान बोलना चाहेंगे?
मेरी जान. मेरी जान.
Seriously, all the performances are really good. Like Katrina is one of the most hard-working people that I've ever come across. In fact, she was there yesterday rehearsing for about 3.5, 4 hours, like she was performing. Okay. If I have to give this gift, this card to somebody, the person who would actually look good in it would be. हाँ कौन? डेजी? कौन? एली? नहीं अभी नहीं. I think Katrina would look good in this car.
And now in Pune, I mean, so many of you are here. I can't wait to see the turnout in the evening, and it's just, it doesn't even feel like work. We are all just having such a blast on stage. The entire team has done such a fabulous setup and put this show together for us. And we as artists have just enjoyed performing with each other. So it's always something that I look forward to, and I'm taken off. I mean, the kind of response that we've got outside of the country, within the country in Delhi, and now in Pune. I mean, so many of you are here.
But यहाँ पे हमारा एक prankster है, Katrina. She's got super humor, and she's all the time playing pranks.
Yes, yeah, I think you can see between the two of us who is the one playing pranks right now.
देखा जब अपनी तारीफ सुनो उसी वक्त एंट्री मारो वापस से. She was just saying that you were beautiful in Etiya.
Oh, thank you.
In one word, basically कह रही कि इस फिल्म के लिए उनको नेशनल अवार्ड मिलेगा. Seriously, without jokes, देख लेना आप. Because she's so good in the film, she's worked so hard in the film कि ये तो निश्चित है, तय है कि अगर मिलेगा तो नेशनल अवार्ड.
You know, amazing to see you in so many avatars. I mean, lots of fanboy moments happening for the world. दाढ़ी में देख रहे हैं सलमान सर को, अलग-अलग अवतार में, This was a really big thing for you to also carry on. As an actor also, I think it must have challenged you the most. I mean, would I be wrong in saying challenged you the most in the longest time?
Even more than Sultan. Because my dear friend here, our director Ali, I don't think he's ever been to the gym ever. Where are you going, madam? When my time to talk is, Tom, you. I'm waiting. Chalo, chicken here behind.
Katrina, hi. This is Simran Singh here. So first of all, congratulations to you and the team for the fantastic trailer. So मेरा आपसे सवाल ये है कि हमने जब ट्रेलर देखा था, we loved your camaraderie and chemistry with भाईजान. And now when we see this song, it's like you have a supportive role. Apart from that, it's a meaty role. It's a supportive role also. So you only share some light about your character and what you have brought in the matter of interpretation regarding the character.
बाजी इनके लिए भाईजान नहीं है. बाजी इनके लिए भाईजान नहीं है.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी. हमारे लिए.
I think you rightly said. I think what you said is.
क्या भरोसा भाईजान भी बुला सकती. क्या भरोसा भाईजान भी बुला सकती.
मेरा सवाल ये कैटरीना जी से है कि सलमान जी नहीं चाहते कि आप उनको भाईजान बोलें, तो आप कौन सी जान बोलना चाहेंगे?
मेरी जान. मेरी जान.
Outdoor wonder, Bright Outdoor.
You don't have have anything to worry about. I think she's one of the best dancers we have in the industry.
Undoubtedly.
There's a tie going on.
Please, I'm terrible. I'm just cute. So I'm.
You can't be worse than me, and I'm not even cute.
So I'm going to thank you. I'm not letting both of you go, but I'm going to thank you because you have a flight to catch. And all of you, will you all put your hands together in some awesome applause for Katrina Kaif, who's here
going.
as friend of IFA.
You're going. But तुसी ना जाओ. Mila?